In our research group, we address a wide range of questions related to the Earth magnetic field. We run a geomagnetic observatory with the official IAGA code WIC located in Lower Austria. We are part of the Int'l community, the global network of observatories monitoring the Earth magnetic field. Another of our sovereign tasks are to perform the geomagnetic survey for Austria. This is very time-consuming and can only be done in large time intervals. That is why we have established a repeat station network, which we are able to visit and carry out the measurements more often and generate charts updated out of these datasets. At our observatory, we monitor short and long-term changes of the Earth magnetic field. We investigate the consequences of magnetic storms on the electric power grid in Austria. We are also interested in the vast changes of the Earth magnetic field, polarity reversals, and dramatic changes of the Earth magnetic field called excursions. For this purpose, we use the ability of magnetic minerals to record and store the Earth magnetic field. With these data, we can construct global magnetic field models. Sedimentary records bring us to another surprising application: the use of magnetic minerals to investigate our past climate. So you see, our group is very heterogeneous in its activities.